We'd been planning on going on a family biking trip for the last year, and the first part of the school summer holidays seemed perfect. My wife Terry is a legend and game for any of my stupid ideas, so I planned an easy route through the Havod estate to take us all to a bothy for the night.
How would you go? Did a little bit of wee. Go, Luna, go! Go zoom! Whoa! Push him in, Wiz. Magical.
How many bits of mud would you like in your coffee?
2 lumps, please.
2 lumps of mud.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Pack horse needs to stop hurting itself, because I ain't carrying all that shit.
I can't even lift it up.
Stop moaning, get on with it.
How you doing, Luna?
Good.
And what are we doing?
We're going on a bikepacking trip to Bothy and staying overnight, and then we're gonna come back to the van. I don't know what else we're gonna do.
We're all going for one night in a bothy. That'll be the first bothy. We're quite excited. We're going right, Luna! We are only doing a short journey today of 10k. Fairly easy. Fire roads and forestry tracks. The bothy's actually down that way, but we're doing a longer route. Give them a bit of a challenge. Hey wife!
Hi.
How you finding your first bikepacking trip?
Oh, it's marvellous. Marvellous, very slow. So far.
I wasn't going to say anything, Bob, but could you speed up, please?
You'll have to ask them.
Bye-bye.
I've stayed in a few bothies now, but I've never stayed in this one. But I had visited it once before as I was passing through, and I thought it would be perfect as it had plenty of room if there was anyone else staying. Preparing for this trip was much like any other, but I had to think about carrying extra sleeping bags and sleeping mats. These took up most of the space and the bulk, but there was 4 bikes, so I took most of the load, including some extra things like some wood and stuff that I was taking to the bothy. I had all the sleeping bags. My wife had a few bits, the first aid stuff, the food, and the girls, they even had some bits. They had their drawing supplies and there's some card games. So between us all, we had more than enough space, and I know next time that we've got enough extra space for a longer trip. I try to bring something to leave at a bothy each time I stay, so this time I brought some essentials to keep warm. I brought a large bag of wood, lighters and fire starters, all to leave there. The wood was heavy, but I'm glad I had it with us as there was no wood there, which was a surprise as there is usually something. We ended up using all the wood I took, but I left the lighters and the fire starters.
Bothy? Oh, fancy seeing you here. It's my kitchen. All mod cons. It's a kettle someone left. We're having soup for starters.
I'm a terrible sleeper, even more so when camping. We had sleeping mats and sleeping bags, and we made it as comfortable as we could. But this is what the girls had to say about it.
The airbags kept on deflating. We had to wake up every half hour and blow them back up. I couldn't get to sleep. I was laying on a concrete floor for ages.
I woke up at 3 a.m. and stayed up reading my Kindle till sunset with many cups of coffee. That was my happy place. Watching them sleep, watching the sunrise, reading a book, and drinking good coffee.
Can't see me, I'm too fast. I'm a blur.
I kept the route short. It's 15 kilometers in total, but it was far from easy. Some of the terrain was rocky and quite difficult, and the climbs were a challenge for any adult, let alone kids on 20-inch wheels and 7 gears.
Look how fast that little biscuit is. I can see the very top round the corner, and then it's all downhill from there. Go, Evie, go!
I'm genuinely not as fast as a 6-year-old, 7-year-old. How old is she?
Downhill.
The girls are only 7 and 9, but they are hard as nails. I'm so proud of them. They loved every minute of it. And in their own words, this is what they had to say.
It was fun, but at the end I was so tired I nearly fell asleep in the van. It was fun, but I was tired. I'm looking forward to do it again.
This, for me, is what life is about. Spending time on adventures with the people you love. I couldn't be happier right now.